Hi, I'm Kevin Lawyer at Leader H2O, and we're in a giant barrel room here to showcase our new product called the Handy Filler. So for anyone looking to market retail syrup, sometimes it can be a challenge to fill small containers of various sizes. So this new Handy Filler is super light, easy to use, and can be used anywhere in this barrel room. So all you need to do is take this cord and plug it in. Simple parts to use on this. So it's actually a vacuum filler. So we have a hose here back behind the unit, and we take this hose off, and this goes in your syrup. So I'll show you that in a minute. So the parts on this unit, it's designed as a handheld. So you actually pull this handheld unit off. This is a vacuum filler. So there's an overflow on this. It's a glass bowl overflow. So you take this now, and these actually go on top of the unit. So you can move this anywhere you want in any direction to fill the various sizes. It's really designed the best for glass, especially glass that has this small top hole, but it will work with really any container as long as you use it and can seal the top. Okay, so let's say you start and you don't have a lot of syrup, right? So normally you'd have to get a big filler. Well, this is just a few gallons in a stainless steel container. It's all ready to go. All I have to do is take this and drop it in. So once it's dropped in and ready to go, this is ready to fill now. So you take this filler now, and you take this filler and turn it on. Now it's ready to fill. So you take it from here, and then once you get that seal ready to go, it starts to draw the syrup in, and here it comes. So it's ready to fill. And it's gonna fill that container all the way up. So you have that filling from this bottom container now, and it continues to fill all of this glass. So there it goes. The nice thing about the way this fills is we've designed it at a speed that minimizes this, and if you happen to overfill, so if you happen to overfill this unit, so there it is, I broke the seal, it's totally full, it can't leak. So let's say you have a smaller glass and you want to fill that, so you just turn this back on. The great thing about this is when you get that seal and the syrup starts to come up and it seals, as it comes in, you fill this, and maybe I'm not quite paying attention, I'm looking off somewhere else. Normally on another filter you'd run that filler and it would overflow. Well, guess what? It's not going to overflow, it's going to run into this now. So as soon as you break that seal, it's done. It's still the same level, there's no time, and it's not going to overfill. Now, because of that, I take this unit and I want to switch sizes. This normally would be a different level, so I just keep filling. Keep right on filling this unit. There you go, different height glass, it still fills the same way, and there's no chance of spilling. So you're still gonna fill at the same level, and it's still gonna fill that exactly the same. The same thing now with this. Fill this is a totally different unit altogether. Still filling this the same way, fills up, nice, consistent flow. And keep right on going. No chance of an overflow. For different size glass, where it may be a longer or a shorter neck, you can actually adjust. You can adjust where you want that to fill. So if you want it to fill at a lower level, just make that adjustment. It's all push to connect. So this is also super easy to clean with these push to connect fittings here. And then if you look down on the glass down here, these actually all come right off. So you can take this glass off, you can take these off, really easy to clean. So when you're done, you take it out of your syrup, you clean it up fast, it's put away. It's really the ideal filler for small, uneven batches. For example, when you're filling this size, and let's say the neck's a little bit longer, you just have to take this and push it down a little bit, turn your machine back on. It's not gonna leak when it's here because it's all vacuumized. You set it on top, and the syrup comes up, fills the container, and then once it's full, it's there at that neck level, so you don't overfill. So the major advantage with this filler is that we just filled all these different size bottles, and there's no mess. You know, we're playing here on the top of this barrel, and you could do this anywhere. So if you want to try this new filler, we're showcasing this at our open house April 28th and 29th in Swanton, Vermont.